Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Nerd Art Kids Art. Today, we're gonna draw the bubble milk tea. Do you like it? First, we're gonna draw the plastic covered part, which is like the rectangle shape, but with the round corner. After that, it's the cup part. It's a basic on the rectangle shape with the round corner. Then, we're gonna draw a straight horizontal line, show where is the tea area. The straw, we need to make it a bit thick, because the bubble is big. On the top, we're drawing an oval shape. Make it look like the 3D shape. We're gonna draw eyes on the tea cup with the circle shape. Inside of the eye, we need to leave the highlight and then coloring with the black. Same as another eye, it's a circle as well. Also, it has the highlight on the left. Milk tea is so yummy, we gave it a smile face. On the top and at the bottom, we gave it the teeth and the tongue in the middle. Then, we're coloring the mouth with the black. The bubble, which is based on the circle shape, we draw some circle down the bottom and the coloring with the black. Well done! Let's start coloring. The first color, we're gonna use the light pink, color the inside of the eye. This part is like the moon shape. Same as the tongue, it's the pink. Also another eye. And we draw an oval shape under the eye, that's the cheek, and also the right side. After that, we're gonna use the yellow to color the straw. Slow down. If you accidentally left some white gap, please fix it. Cause the cup, which is the transparent one, so in the middle straw, we still can see it. Then, we're gonna use the light orange. If you have the deep yellow, orchard, some color similar like that, you also can use it. The first, we're coloring the top oval. Then follow your right straight line, we draw another line. This is like the shadow on the cylinder shape. Then, we're gonna use the skin color, coloring the tea area. Please avoid your eye and the bubbles. Take your time, slow down. If you are afraid you will cover it, you can outline them, then coloring. The bubble tea is a tea-based drink that originated in Taiwan in the early 1980s. Taiwanese immigrants brought it into the United States in the 1990s. So right now, everybody loves it and worldwide. What is yours favorite flavor of the milk tea? Please leave the message. Slow down, take your time. Well done, guys. The next color, we're gonna use the brown. You can choose your light brown or dark brown. If you're afraid you're drawing outside of the shape, you can outline the top and the bottom horizontal line first, and then coloring in the middle. The last color, we're gonna use the blue. You can use your sky blue, baby blue, royal blue. If you're afraid you're drawing outside of the shape, you can outline first. Don't forget to fit the white gap. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.